Hello guys, welcome to Sam's Game. Today we will be taking our previous video, the tutorial about the text animation. Text is rotating around the globe. So I'm just adding the voiceover to that video. The tutorial was pretty simple, but most of the people's or most of the students wants, or I should explain them what is happening, and they feel the video is quite speedy, so I decided to record the voiceover for this. So let's get started. So first of all, we start the After Effects and select the text tool and type your name or whichever you want to rotate around the globe. I just typing my channel name, that is Sam's Game. It's placed at the center of your screen. And then while selected your text layer, just select the shape tool, that is I have selected the circle and draw it on that text like this. Okay, now go to the text option, path option. In path, select mask 1. Okay, so you will get this result. After this, we will just select the reverse path option and set it on. Okay, and then close the path option. Now first convert it into the 3D. Okay, so you can see the cube at the just above the animate option, and just click on that. It will converted your layer in 3D. Okay, you will click on animate option. First you select the rotation, after that you select enable per character 3D. Okay, right? So go to the transform option and you rotate your layer in an x-axis, and like this I will be rotating in a x positive, you can see, or in your case whatever be the right you can do. After your layer is rotated or rotate, just go in the animator 1 and select the y-axis like this, and your text will be like it's standing on that circle. It will look like it's on path. Okay, just select your right axis and rotate it like this in a 90-degree direction. It's done. Just go in the path option and select that first margin and set the value of something, and just click on that time watch to create the keyframes on timeline like this, and just move your slider and just change the value of first margin. So it will create an animation like your text will be rotating from that initial point from 0 to final or end point, whatever will be your time duration. So it will create that the animation like text is rotating on that part. You can just hit enter and you can see the animation is your text is rotating on that part. Now we have to add our globe. So just first of all you have to import your image in your library. So just go to file and import your image or globe image. So I have already imported here, that is it is selected in the library, that is earth jpg, and just drag it in your timeline. It will be look like this. It will be a like a wallpaper type. just we have to create, or we have to add some modifier, or to make it globe. So just go to the effects and preset panel and search for a CC sphere. Okay, so just select the CC sphere and drag it on your image. It will create a spherical shape or sphere, like a globe shape, and adjust the lighting like this, whichever part you want to highlight or whichever part you want to keep it in a dark. So set like that. And you can also rotate this cube on in the modify panel, in the effect and control, in the left hand side view. You can see the various options. So I will rotating this cube in a y-axis, so we can see our globe is rotating now. Okay, so see the animation. But here you can see our animation is our globe is rotating and our text is also rotating, and text is above the globe. Okay, so now we will just select our text layer first and select the pen tool and draw a shape, whichever part you don't want to see on the globe. Okay, so draw the shape like this. You can very well use to with pen tool, so draw like that in your case. And just go to the mask option and select mask 2, and in the drop down option select subtract. Okay, it will be exclude that part that will be coming over the globe, and it will look like the text is going to back around the globe and it's coming from the other side. Okay, so now play the animation. You will see the animation like this, right? Understood? Oh, good. So this is the text animation. Text is rotating around the globe. Now we have to add the background, so we will add the background to this animation. Also you can change accordingly some settings, whatever your views is perfect, to get your perfect view. And also you can add the background, animated background or FakeCom, or you can also download it from internet. I have just created in the After Effects and just adding multiple images, created some in the Photoshop, edited. I just added zoom animation to it, so you can see the final output. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching Samscape. Thank you.